Welcome, dear viewer, to a pathway filled with endless possibilities and abundance. Today's video is an invitation to embrace prosperity, wealth, and fulfillment in all aspects of your life. As you settle in, take a moment to breathe deeply and center yourself. Ask your conscious and subconscious mind to be open and receptive to the positive affirmations you're about to hear. Let the words flow into your heart and mind, and allow them to become part of your daily thoughts and actions. Your journey towards abundance begins here. Believe in yourself. Embrace these affirmations, and watch as your life transforms into one of limitless prosperity and joy. Repeat after me. In my life, wealth flows in like a river. My world is a magnet for financial abundance. Prosperity loves to surprise me with its presence. Wealth is my companion in every journey. Prosperity is the fabric of my life story. Wealth weaves itself into my story. Infinite abundance is a part of my reality. My life's path is paved with opportunities for wealth. Abundance greets me at every corner. Wealth flows towards me from all directions. Prosperity finds its way to me with grace and ease. Wealth and abundance are the constant stars in my sky. In my life, prosperity blooms like a garden. Financial abundance is a guest that never leaves. Wealth smiles at me every morning. The dance of life is a dance of prosperity for me. Abundance finds me even in the most unexpected places. My story is a story of endless prosperity. The universe showers me with wealth. Financial success is a regular visitor in my life. Prosperity is my second nature. Abundance is the rhythm to which my life beats. Prosperity welcomes me with open arms. The universe enjoys spoiling me with wealth. Abundance in my life overflows. In my world, prosperity is the sun that never sets. Every moment of my life is a moment of wealth. My life is a map that leads to prosperity. Abundance finds me wherever I wander. In the tapestry of life, abundance is the most vibrant thread. Life flows with the rhythm of prosperity. Prosperity is as natural to me as breathing. Financial abundance is attracted to my energy. Wealth finds its home with me. Abundance is a key note in the symphony of my life. Prosperity is written in the stars for me. Financial success is a part of my life's DNA. Wealth and I are partners in life. Life flows with the rhythm of prosperity. My life is a magnet for prosperity.